Hello and welcome to another episode of I Love Julia, talking about Julia Child and France and French recipes. This month's in-person I Love Julia that we held here at Chez Bibliotheque at the Anastasia Island branch was wonderful. We had Dave Hall and Martha Yemnitz with B. Augustine talking to us about honey, and they even brought in some bees for us to look at, as well as an assortment of the different honeys that they get from the various apiaries they have around St. Johns County. So one of the recipes that we made for that program is pumpkin spice honey cookies with a pumpkin spice honey cream cheese icing. So what we did is, in lieu of like the white refined sugar, is we replaced that with honey, and we had some brown sugar, some butter, some canned pumpkin that we really worked well to try and get some extra liquid out of. We had egg yolks, vanilla, flour, pumpkin pie spice, baking soda, baking powder, and a little bit of salt. So that was for the cookies. And then this beautiful pumpkin spice honey cream cheese icing, that is with cream cheese, butter, the pureed pumpkin that again we try to get as much liquid out of as possible so that we did not have, gummy cookies or watered down icing. And we had a special creamed pumpkin spice honey from B. Augustine. A little bit of vanilla, some cinnamon, and ginger, and they were absolutely wonderful. I hope you enjoy, and bon appetit.